Hey friends, this is Andy and today I'm sharing an easy blueberry yogurt oat muffin recipe with you. To make the muffins you'll need plain Greek yogurt, milk, maple syrup, eggs, cooking oil, and vanilla extract. Add these to a bowl, mix, and set aside. Next, add the dry ingredients to a larger bowl. This includes old-fashioned rolled oats, flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now you can add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix together. In a third bowl, add the blueberries along with 1 tablespoon of flour and mix together. Fold the blueberries into the batter gently. No need to overmix here as that will turn the muffins purple. Scoop about 1/4 batter into each muffin cup that's lined with paper cupcake liners. These muffins need to be baked at 375 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. These blueberry yogurt oat muffins make really easy breakfast on the go or afternoon snacks. The great thing about homemade baking is that you can control the ingredients you put into your food. For more easy family-friendly recipes, visit my website at andyann.com.